This is something that has been super beneficial in my life, and I want to share with y'all the goodness of celery juice and how easy it is to make it at home with no juicer. This has been beneficial for my mom because she doesn't have enough time to make it, but also it's been beneficial for me because I feel all the goodness. And this is a very good anti-cancer agent for you because anything that is enriched with so much oxygen, cancers cannot survive. It does not have a chance in high alkaline living food, high vibe environment. So just stay tuned to see what's next. Good morning. It is currently 6 a.m. and I'm going to show you how I make celery juice without a juicer. It's super easy and you only need a few things. First and foremost, you need organic celery, which is very cheap and it sends a lot of electricity in your body and healing energy. It is very cleansing and detoxifying. And I recommend you drink celery juice on an empty stomach before anything else. I've been doing this for about 3 months now and I've noticed a lot of great benefits. So let's get started. This is what you're gonna need. Organic celery, a knife to chop it off. It's easier this way. And then a strainer and something to put the juice in. And if you don't have a strainer, you can use cheesecloth. I use this because it's non-bleached. And what it looks like is it's just this cloth that you can put food in and then you can there go and squeeze it, wring it out. I think this is harder and it creates more of a mess, so I just use a strainer. And then next what you're gonna need is a blender. I got this NutriBullet for $30 at Walmart and it does a great job. I've bought cheap blenders in the past and they've just like started smoking or tried to catch on fire, or they broke super easily if I tried to blend up something like this. So I would recommend getting a NutriBullet or just going for a good blender. And then you're also gonna need some purified water. I recommend cold water if that is accessible to you. So let's get started. I usually prep this the day before by soaking my celery in water and chopping it up beforehand. So just gonna open that and do that. So usually I would just chop up the celery and get it prepared for the day before. I would recommend breaking it up and then washing it. Give it a good chop. So then it's less work on the blender. And then I fill it all the way up to this little max line. And then you want to fill it all the way up with water to the max line. Cool. And then just simply blend it up. Then it'll turn this beautiful green color. Smells so fresh. And then you just pour it. And how I speed up the process is I just take a spoon and I press down the pulp, and therefore juice will come out faster. And it's a nice little meditation for the morning, and as you're doing this you can think, I am healing myself. This is proven to help heal yourself naturally from cancer, such as thyroid cancer and gout. This is a very great natural medicine. I truly feel we have the power, with the help of Mother Nature as well, to heal ourselves naturally. Most doctors just want us to get surgery right away, and they don't let us know about the natural remedies for some things. So it takes dedication, it takes waking up early sometimes, but if you really want to clean yourself from the inside out, I'd recommend some celery juice. I did notice a difference in my skin when I started drinking this, and my hair grew, and I feel this is very beneficial for the soul. It just makes me feel good, and it speeds up your digestion. And this is just what I noticed in myself. So then, quite a process. Just make sure that you take the pulp afterwards, because it doesn't taste too good. It's kind of flavorless, the pulp. But the celery juice is actually natural sodium, so your body craves and wants sodium, the natural kind. So it's actually quite satisfying to drink. It just feels right, like a good vibration. So I recommend you composting all your extra scraps and returning it to the mother. The bugs will really appreciate it. It's hydrating for the earth. You can share the medicine. Don't let anything go to waste. Feel free to make enough for someone that you're living with and offer them some celery juice. It's great for energizing your body. Hydration is really what we need. Sometimes we think we're really hungry, and yes, that may be the case, but I think a lot of us are just really dehydrated. So this is made with a lot of water, so this is going to definitely hydrate you. So then I take my scrap and I put it in the compost that looks like this. Take it out later. And I feel this is way less messy than a juicer. And plus juicers can be quite expensive. And then I know that we have natural juicers in our mouth, our teeth. But even then, when I try to chew celery, it gets caught in this one little space in my teeth. So I love having it as a drink. And plus you can get more nutrients down instead of just sitting there munching on celery. So therefore I would just put a lid on this and pack it for my mom, and then I still gotta make some for me. So we're just gonna blend up a tad more, and then I'm just gonna set myself up for a good tomorrow by just prepping the celery in the purified water. I've been on the celery juice for about a good 3 months now, and I don't think I would be doing it unless I was doing it for my mother because she's healing from thyroid cancer, and I read a bit about the medical medium and I saw this trend and I was like, I gotta try it and have my own personal experience, and it's been treating me so well. It has this beautiful green color, which is like, why wouldn't I want to put that into my body? And then it has a froth on the top when it's made fresh. And to me, I look forward to this froth. It is so amazing. The energy it gives me, the hydration, and this is what I've been starting my mornings off with during the week. I get my big old drink, and then I take off my shoes, do a little bit of earthing, and it just has helped my confidence too. It had cleared my acne on my face, and I just want to keep sticking with it because I did notice that it's helping healing my acne scars on my face. I don't even wear any makeup. I just woke up and I feel like it helps not stain my teeth, because if you drink a drink that's like black or really brown, I feel if you put that on your teeth right away, I mean, I guess I'd rather have green teeth than brown. But anyways, it also helps aid in digestion. So some people like to drink coffee because it helps them poop in the morning, and that's a good feeling. But this also definitely helps you go to the bathroom and clear you out. It also lowers your cholesterol, and it's an anti-inflammatory. So this will help you recover faster from injuries, heal your body faster, and have you live a life with less pain. And who doesn't want that? Anti-inflammatories are super good for the body. It aids in healing the liver, and so that's naturally detoxifying food. And it also lowers blood pressure and has vitamin A in here that helps you grow your new skin cells, hair, and nails. I did notice that my skin did clear up and it is healing, like I mentioned earlier. I did notice my fingernails are very strong and they're healing. And also, I noticed that my hair is growing. So this is just something I definitely recommend, and I'm gonna continue to keep it in my morning practices because it's nice. I will continue to enjoy Pachamama's medicine. I'm so thankful for her and thankful that this has came into my life, because I know I have an intention while making it every time that this is going to help heal my mama's conditions that she's going through. This is going to help heal me and detoxify my body, and I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to have access to organic, clean food in this world. And I look at this and I see the color green, and I feel like that's a very heart-centered vegetable and plant. Anything green is just like very heart satisfying, and it works with that chakra in the body. So may this balance out my energy and open my heart for the day, give me the proper nutrition just to start off. And this is one of the many things that I incorporate throughout my day. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you are enjoying nature wherever you are, and blessed be. Cheers, family. Yum. Oh.